Yo guys, what's going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we are on the upgraded Razor MX 500. About to meet up with the guys, do a little group ride. My rear brake is doing the same weird thing again where it seemingly lost all pressure, even though last time I rode it was adjusted out to here, so I only needed to pull this much to brake. So I think these need rebled, these brakes. I actually got a kit and some new fluid, so I got to do that. But I'm just hoping this pressure comes back, at least for now. Whack, very whack. Dude, if this fluid doesn't heat up, I just don't think I'm gonna be able to ride.
Just have all this like extra line, and there was probably a bubble at some point, or.
So guys, I was talking to my boy Eric, and it sounds like he thinks there might be air in the line, and the reason that when the brakes heat up, it's because the pads heat up and it heats up the fluid and it pushes the bubble out. I don't know, something like that. But that's what he suspects, but he just recommends I bleed the brakes, which I'll probably do. I think I might even just have him help me do it because I've never done it before. But I'm just hoping that these pads heat up the fluid or something right now, because if they don't, I'm not gonna ride. Shout out to Ra, always getting me the clips. I was holding everyone up to get the Insta clips. If you don't follow me on Insta, hit me up, Connor G Media. Low-key blowing up there. Well, blowing up for me, I have like 2,600 followers right now, so that's pretty cool. Shout out to all of you following me there. Yeah, I think Eric's gonna help me though, because I need to cut the line too, I guess. Group tonight wants to rip. Man, I need someone else to do wheelies with me. I feel left out. Yeah guys, so hopefully next video we'll have these brakes bled and trimmed. And apparently it's supposed to feel a lot more responsive when you have it bled, or when you have a shorter line, supposedly. Dude, Dad is the hype man when it comes to my wheelies. I love it.
We just came from Camden.
Aw, man.
I don't know what they're doing back there. I've also never ridden here, but this is pretty cool. This is nice. You got the beautiful Delaware right here.
I like your bike, my man.
Appreciate it. I like your board. Yeah, I'm turning around. So the funny thing is now I think the pressure's coming back a little bit. Whew. Looks like some new houses here, huh? Now open. I would try throttle one-handers today, but I don't trust my brake enough to do that. People are probably just like, why are these random electric bicycles riding here? Oh, shit, this is right on the water. That's pretty cool. Just looking into people's apartments right here. Imagine you look outside, you just see all these random flashing bright lights and a dude doing a sick wheelie. I would be hyped. It's mad quiet here. Is this gravel? Oh yeah. It's too fun, dude. Oh, this is cool under here. It's like a little trail almost. Well, it is a trail. I think it's like a walking trail. What the f was that? Woo, here's the trail. I love this trail here. There's some features where you can kind of hit some jumps, I think. Like this, like... Oh, buddy hop! Oh, bunny hop!
Yeah.
I love that, dude.
All right, let's do it. Dad said don't hold back, go get that, don't hesitate. Mom said just step back and slow it down, go meditate. Told myself stay humble, don't say it all with your chest out. But my girl keeps on telling me that I'm the best out. Lot of plates I keep spinning, can't stop. Lot of stakes rise, I keep winning. Blindfolded, find a way, wave high, just keep grinning. No time for the money.
Homeland Security. No, protective services, not even cops.
Pure talent, no payola. Take over like Jehovah. Hit the nines, that's race over. Brakes broken, I ain't slowing. Outshining, no chain showing. 4 clubs, I ain't folding. Beating me, you got a better chance of getting Drake. Listening to Daytona. 2C slide in the DMs. We started off on the right foot. What a time to be alive. Been seeing my future, my life good. Couldn't duplicate what I'm doing, even if you took my rhyme book. My mind took me all the way. Straight line moving like my rook. I'm playing chess and I do not check on my mates, cause I don't have time for no friends. I know it's bad, but all my priorities shifted when I saw what I had on hand. I got a window that's not gonna be open forever, so I gotta take what I can. I cannot be shaking hands, I guess we'll see who's around at the end. People say I lack empathy, but I don't care how they feel. Don't hit me up on some let's work fam, I'm trying to build. Corny Cox in a video, everybody thought that I signed a deal. Did that with no manager, let alone a label. I'm behind the wheel, I got one hand up on the steering wheel, other hand up on the rear view. Cause on one hand I need tunnel vision, other hand I need a clear view. Of my peer group when I pass them up, don't go try testing me.
Ooh, time for a brew.
A whole album without ever leaving my bedroom. Microphone with an interface and a MacBook I let loose. Never let nobody hold me up, I do the hard work. If the artists wanna take too long, I know Photoshop, I'll do the artwork.
You better get your own motherfucking maintenance money right up fucking like the bank.
Well, guys, we're heading back from the bar. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you can tell, I'm doing the MJ look right now because I dropped one of my gloves somewhere. I don't know where, so it's gone. But shout out Rob for getting all the clips of me tonight. If you enjoyed these videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time, though. Peace.
Close to my goal like a puck in the crease. Ownership, baby, no nothing is leased. Talk all you want, it means nothing to me. They throwing me shade, I'm loving the breeze. Ooh, you on the way out, I'm on the way in.